Hammock, you know.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
You know it's pretty dark in here. Has that thing got a flash on it?
Sure does.
Hey, if you like, I could stand over here like this.
Give it some scale. Hey, that'd really be terrific. I tell you what, why don't you, here, put your hand up like that. Put the pipe in the mouth. Oh, darling, doesn't he look great? All right, these little guys, just hold that pose for 1 second. And get these little doohickeys in here, and we'll be right with you. There we go. Now, here, down. Now, down. Here. Now, we're going to be right back. You just hold that 1 second.
Right.
Geez, you look just great.